Slider Windows Ferndale offers a range of energy-efficient slider windows designed to enhance your home's comfort and reduce energy costs. Our Ferndale window experts specialize in custom slider windows, providing tailored solutions to meet your specific needs. Vinyl slider windows are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance, making them ideal for both residential and commercial properties in Ferndale, MI. Double-pane slider windows Ferndale are an excellent option for those seeking enhanced insulation and noise reduction. Our Ferndale window contractors are skilled in sliding window replacement and replacement, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Affordable slider windows are available to suit any budget without compromising on quality or style. Ferndale sliding window services include comprehensive sliding window maintenance and upgrades, ensuring your windows operate smoothly and efficiently. Explore our wide range of sliding window styles and designs, each offering unique features and benefits. Our sliding window options cater to various preferences, providing the perfect solution for your home or business. Sliding window experts in Ferndale, MI are dedicated to delivering exceptional service and craftsmanship. Our sliding window companies offer competitive sliding window quotes and estimates, helping you make informed decisions. Schedule a sliding window consultation with our Ferndale Window Solutions team to discuss your project requirements and explore the best options for your property. Ferndale Window Installation Services prioritize energy efficiency, offering Ferndale energy-efficient windows that contribute to a sustainable environment. Custom windows in Ferndale, MI allow for personalized designs that reflect your style and enhance your property's aesthetic appeal. Vinyl windows in Ferndale are a practical choice for their weather-resistant properties and long-lasting performance. Double-pane windows in Ferndale provide superior thermal insulation, making them a smart investment for any homeowner. Affordable windows in Ferndale ensure you receive high-quality products without exceeding your budget. Residential windows in Ferndale are designed to improve your home's curb appeal and functionality, while commercial windows in Ferndale cater to the specific needs of businesses. Ferndale sliding window upgrades enhance the performance and appearance of your existing windows, while sliding window maintenance in Ferndale ensures they remain in optimal condition. Our Ferndale window companies are committed to providing top-notch sliding window services, from installation to replacement and everything in between. Trust our Ferndale window contractors to deliver exceptional results for all your window needs. Slider Windows Ferndale offer a sleek and space-saving solution for homeowners looking to enhance both the functionality and appearance of their spaces. Ferndale Windows and Doors expertise in high-quality slider window installations, providing smooth operation and modern design. With a focus on energy efficiency and durability, Ferndale Windows and Doors ensures that each installation meets the needs of homeowners while complementing the local architectural styles.